Have you ever spent hours creating content only to realize that almost nobody actually saw it? A few years ago, getting traffic was much simpler. You could write an article, optimize a few keywords, and hope Google would eventually send visitors your way. Today, things have changed. People still use Google, but many of them never even click on a website anymore. They read the answer that appears at the top of the page. Others skip Google completely and ask ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity instead. That means creating content isn't just about ranking anymore. Your content also needs to become the answer. When I first realized this, I started wondering how small businesses, bloggers, or even beginners could possibly keep up with all these changes. Writing articles is already time-consuming. Creating images takes even longer. Making videos is another challenge. Then there's publishing everything, optimizing it, and updating older content over time. It almost feels like one person is expected to do the work of an entire marketing team. That's exactly why I became interested when I found TrafficGenie. Instead of giving you another AI writing tool, it tries to automate almost the entire process. The idea is surprisingly simple. You enter one keyword. From there, the system creates a complete article, generates matching images, produces a short narrated video, structures everything to improve visibility, and publishes it automatically on its own hosted website. No designing, no editing videos, no installing complicated software. Everything happens in the background. But what really caught my attention wasn't the automation, it was the way the content is actually built. Instead of only trying to rank in Google search results, every piece of content is designed with 3 different goals. First, it aims to rank in traditional search results. Second, it tries to appear inside Google's AI answer or featured answer sections. Third, it is structured so AI assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity can recognize it as a trustworthy source and reference it in their responses. Considering how people search today, that approach makes a lot of sense. And unlike manually updating content every few months, TrafficGenie continues watching how the content performs and can improve pages that begin losing visibility over time. The goal isn't simply publishing more content, it's creating content that continues improving itself. Before I explain more, let's take a quick look at TrafficGenie in action. This demo will show you exactly how the platform works, from entering a single keyword to automatically creating articles, images, videos, and publishing everything without needing multiple tools.
If you've ever published any content and watched it pull 0 traffic, you're going to love this. Imagine typing in one keyword for any niche or market and instantly getting a fully written, illustrated, published piece of content that's built to get you traffic from Google and inside AI answers, all in a few clicks. That's exactly what TrafficGenie does, and I'm going to show you the whole thing right now. Getting found online used to mean ranking on Google. Now, Google answers half of searches in a box at the top, and millions of people ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini instead. The Google monopoly is over, and to win today, your content has to show up in 3 ways at once: ranked in search, picked as the answer, and cited by AI. By hand, that means you need a search expert, an AI writer, a humanizer, a designer, a video tool, and an SEO tracker. 5 or 6 separate subscriptions, all separate logins, and you're still doing the work. TrafficGenie collapses all of it into one engine. Inside the dashboard, it's clean, simple, everything in one place. I'm going to type in one niche right here. That's the only thing that I have to do, and watch. It's writing the content now, a full structured piece with real statistics, sources, and answer-ready sections, the exact shape that gets pulled into the answer box and quoted by AI. It's generating on-brand images and dropping them into the right spots. And it's building a video that gets published straight to YouTube, which is now one of the most cited sources across AI answers. One keyword, and all of that comes out automatically. Before it publishes, the built-in humanizer fires on its own, so the content reads like a person wrote it, not a robot. And every post gets a readiness score from 0 to 100 across search, answers, and citations, with the exact fixes to raise it. You never have to guess whether a post is good enough. Then it publishes to its own hosted site. No WordPress, no plugins, no code, and it pushes it to Google automatically. Now here's my favorite part. This screen shows everything real time, exactly which AI search bots crawled your pages, and how many real visitors each one sent you. GPT bot, Perplexity bot, Google bot, all of it. The enterprise tools that do just this piece cost hundreds to thousands of dollars a month. With TrafficGenie, it's built in. And it doesn't stop after one post. You could set it to run on a schedule so it keeps generating on its own. It watches what wins and it rewrites the losers on its own so your results compound over time. You can let it run fully on autopilot or keep a quick review step and approve each post first. Your call. Either way, it does the work for you. Now think about the old way. A professional writer runs $375 to $600 for a single post, and that's just the words. No images, no video, no publishing, no optimization. With TrafficGenie, all of it happens in minutes from one keyword. This is perfect for beginners, affiliate marketers, content creators, agencies, local businesses, anyone who wants free traffic without writing a word or paying for expensive ads. If you can click your mouse and type a few words, you can run this. And that's how easy it is to start getting free traffic across search and AI answers with TrafficGenie.
Now that you've seen the workflow, it's easier to understand why TrafficGenie feels different from many AI tools available today. Most AI chatbots are excellent for answering questions. You ask something, they respond. Then everything ends there. Nothing gets published, nothing attracts visitors later, nothing continues working for you. Other AI writing tools can certainly generate articles, but after receiving the article, you're still responsible for creating graphics, making videos, uploading everything, optimizing SEO, and managing the website yourself. In other words, they help with only one small piece of a much larger process. There are also expensive enterprise platforms that monitor whether AI tools are mentioning your content. Those platforms can tell you what's wrong, but they usually don't fix the problem, and their monthly subscriptions can become surprisingly expensive. On the opposite side, there are inexpensive auto-blogging tools. Many of them still focus only on traditional SEO, without considering AI-generated answers or citation opportunities. As search continues evolving, those older methods may become less effective over time. TrafficGenie tries to combine everything into one workflow: writing, images, videos, publishing, optimization, and continuous improvements. Instead of jumping between multiple subscriptions and software platforms, everything happens inside a single automated engine. Of course, no software can guarantee rankings or traffic. Search engines and AI platforms constantly evolve, and results always depend on many different factors, including competition and the quality of your chosen topic. But automating the repetitive work can save an incredible amount of time, especially if you're creating content consistently. I also like that the system seems designed for beginners. You don't need to understand complicated SEO strategies or spend weeks learning video editing. If you know how to type a keyword, you're already most of the way there. For content creators, affiliate marketers, local businesses, bloggers, freelancers, and even agencies managing multiple projects, that simplicity could be one of the biggest advantages. At the end of the day, TrafficGenie isn't trying to replace creativity. It's trying to remove the repetitive work that usually slows content creators down. Instead of spending hours producing every piece manually, you can focus more on ideas, strategy, and growing your business while the system handles much of the production. If you'd like to learn more about TrafficGenie, including its complete features, pricing, bonuses, and whether it's the right fit for your needs, you'll find everything in the links below this video. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to JV Frontend channel, and I'll see you in the next review.